మరో చరిత్ర. ఈ పేరు చెప్పగానే ముందుగా కమల్ హాసన్, సరిత గుర్తుకొస్తారు. ఆ తర్వాత వారితో పాటు అందులో మరో అద్భుతమైన పాత్రలో కనిపించిన మాధవి కూడా మదిలో మెదులుతుంది. కమల్ ని మోహించే అందాల రాశి పాత్రలో మాధవి మెప్పించింది. ఆ మరో చరిత్రకి రీమేక్ గా రూపొంది విడుదలకి సిద్దమైన తాజా చిత్రంలో మాధవి పాత్రని శ్రద్ధాదాస్ పోషించింది. మాధవిలా తను కూడా మరో చరిత్ర సృష్టిస్తానంటోంది ఈ సెక్సీ సుందరి. ఈ అమ్మడితో స్ట్రైట్ టాక్.
Well, Maru Charitra, this is a remake for the first time in Telugu industry, a full remake of a film. And but there is a big difference between this Maru Charitra and the original Maru Charitra. The difference is that in the original, for example, Kamal Haasan and his heroine were Telugu Tamil, but here the hero is American and the heroine is non-American, and also the character Madhvi, which is played by Madhvi, was a widow in the original one, while in this it is she's a boss and she's not a widow in this film. The characterizations, the look and everything is different in this film, and it's according to today's times, but the emotions are the same like the original. I played the character of similar to Madhvi's in the original, but this is a bigger version of the role and a more dynamic character, because I play a very strict boss in the film who is very strong from outside but very emotional from within. It's my first performance-oriented role that I get to play, and that too in such a big in Dil Raju Productions. So I think the look and also the performance that is there with this character would be one of my best. Varun Sandesh, I think, is a very cute hero, and apart from that, very supportive and very funny, always joking around in the sets. And if you see him in the emotional scenes in the film, you'll really, it's like you will cry if you see him crying in the film. He's that good in all the emotional scenes. Well, Ravi sir is basically a cinematographer. He's done Race and many of Abbas Mustan films, and in this film he is directing as well as doing the cinematography. I personally think that Ravi sir has handled both very easily, and every actor in the film, he's concentrated on everyone's look and performance very deeply. If we have to do any scene, he would tell us to totally get into the character all the time, and it's like a great thing to handle both cinematography and direction. And I'm very thankful to him to give me such a strong role and be so confident about me. Most of the film has been shot in the US and Dubai and Hyderabad. The song which I have done, Ninu Nanu, has been shot in Dubai. I have mostly shot in Dubai, not in the US. In US they've shot in Times Square, and even Dubai, the deserts and all of that. The locations are like that. I remember shooting in Dubai in a villa. It's like even the normal people there stay in such big palaces. It's like a palace. And we shot there like for 2-3 days. that is very, very vivid in my memory, and even on the beach and all of that. So there are brilliant locations in the entire film. As I said that this version is basically for today's times. That was very, very, like, it was for those times, people how they thought then. Now our generation is totally different. So this film is for today's generation, but the emotions are very similar to the original.